Turn your trash into treasure. The magic of composting. Do you ever feel guilty throwing away food scraps? Every time you toss those vegetable peels or fruit cores, it feels like a missed opportunity. Imagine a way to turn that trash into something valuable for your garden. Instead of contributing to the growing problem of landfills, you could be creating something beneficial. That's the magic of composting. It's a process where organic waste breaks down into a nutrient-rich material that plants love. Composting is like nature's recycling system. Just as leaves decompose on the forest floor, your kitchen scraps can transform into compost. It turns kitchen waste into something called compost. This dark, crumbly substance is packed with nutrients. Compost is like a superfood for your garden. It enriches the soil, helping plants grow stronger and healthier. Composting is easy and good for the environment. It reduces the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and lowers your carbon footprint. You can do it in your backyard with a simple compost bin or even in a small bin indoors. There are many options available, from large outdoor setups to compact indoor systems. It's a fun and rewarding way to reduce waste and grow healthy plants. Plus, it's a great activity to involve the whole family. Imagine less garbage going to landfills. By composting, you're making a positive impact on the environment. Picture your garden flourishing with the help of homemade compost. Your plants will thank you with bountiful blooms and delicious produce. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Every banana peel, eggshell, and coffee ground you throw away ends up in a landfill. Landfills are huge, smelly mountains of garbage. They take up space and release harmful gases into the air. Composting helps reduce this waste. When we compost, we're keeping these valuable materials out of landfills. Instead, we're transforming them into something beneficial. Compost enriches the soil. It helps plants grow big and strong. Composting is a simple way to make a big difference for our planet. It's a small step towards a greener and healthier future for everyone. Building a compost pile is easier than you think. It's a simple and rewarding way to recycle your kitchen and garden waste, turning it into nutrient-rich soil for your plants. You can choose an outdoor compost bin or an indoor container. Each has its own benefits, depending on your space and needs. For outdoors, a simple wire mesh bin works great. It's affordable, easy to set up, and allows for good airflow, which is crucial for the composting process. For indoors, a special compost bucket with a lid is perfect. It keeps odors at bay and fits conveniently on your kitchen counter, making it easy to collect scraps as you cook. Good airflow is essential for successful composting. Without it, your compost could become a smelly, anaerobic mess. If you're using a bin, make sure it has holes for air to circulate. You can easily drill these yourself if your bin doesn't come with them. For an outdoor pile, turn the materials regularly with a garden fork. This helps to aerate the pile and speed up the decomposition process. This adds oxygen and helps the composting process. The more you turn it, the faster your compost will be ready to use. Choose a location for your bin that is easy to access. You'll want to be able to add scraps and turn the pile without too much hassle. You'll be adding scraps and turning the pile regularly. This routine helps maintain the right balance of green and brown materials, which is key for effective composting. A sunny spot will help speed up the composting process. The heat from the sun helps to break down the materials more quickly, giving you rich, dark compost in no time. Once your compost is ready, you can use it to enrich your garden soil. It's a fantastic way to give back to your garden and ensure your plants thrive. Healthy, compost-enriched soil leads to healthier plants, which means a more bountiful garden. So, start composting today and enjoy the benefits of this simple, eco-friendly practice.